Hello viewers, welcome to Math Club channel. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see example 1.16 and standard 9 Tamil Nadu board 9th standard maths example 1.16 we are going to see. That is represent A delta B. This is the name. This small triangle we have to read as delta. That is A difference. Either delta or difference. A difference B through Venn diagram. Venn diagram means what? It's nothing but we are going to represent in diagrammatic form. Okay. If you want to know what is Venn diagram detailing means, please refer my previous video which is available in description box. Okay. So A delta B. A delta B means in exam they will give just A delta B alone. We have to derive this formula. We have to write this formula. Okay. So nothing but A delta B means A minus, this is called minus, right? A minus B union B minus A. You all know what is union. Union means we have to combine those two sets. Okay. So first we have to represent A minus B in Venn diagram and B minus A, and then we are going to club those two sets. Okay. Now just we can see first how you can represent A minus B in Venn diagram. First, Venn diagram means what we have to draw universal set, right? So we are going to draw one universal set. First we are going to find A minus B. Okay. So for that set we are going to draw one universal set. Okay. And then in universal set we are going to draw A and B two sets. Generally how we will represent these sets in circle form. So A is this and B is this. Okay. So see here A minus B. What do you mean by minus? Minus means generally we have to left those sets elements. We are going to minus this set from A. Okay. So see here this is A. Okay, and this is B set. So we are going to shade the region only A region which is not included B. Okay. See this is A region. Okay. Now this set up to here only the only set A which representing is those region. So we are going to shade only those regions which B should not be included. Okay. I hope you are clear. A minus B means we have to left over the B set completely. So just forgot this B set. Then whatever the portion remaining in A, you have to split that. Okay. Don't compare with universal set. Why means we are just dealing with A and B only. So don't shade in universal set. Just A minus B is asked. They are asking A minus B. So just see that A and B set, and left over the B set, the remaining portion should be shaded. Okay. Now we are going to say B minus A. Okay. Similarly for this also you have to draw one universal set, and similarly A and B. Okay. This is A and this is B. Now see this. B minus A. Then we have to left over the A elements. Whatever the set is here, that set will be eliminated. So just forgot the A set. Then we have to shade the B set alone. Okay. That is up to here only we are shading. This region only we are shading. Okay. Now the final this part. So just draw universal set, and again A is this set, and again B is this set. Okay. Just shade the region. Whatever you shaded here, only that region should be shaded here. So this part and this part, just we are going to combine those two in single set. Okay. So this will be your final answer. So A difference B or A delta B, whatever you can read, both are correct. So A delta B is the final answer is this only which is represented in diagrammatic form. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching.